Welcome back to Project Aviate. Today we're diving into the world of modern military aviation with one of the most versatile and capable aircraft of our time, the Embraer KC-390. Imagine the sun rising over a runway, a massive jet standing tall with its sleek gray fuselage reflecting the early morning light. That's where our journey begins. The KC-390 isn't just another transport aircraft, it's a symbol of Brazil's ambition to create a modern, multi-role military cargo jet that rivals the giants in its class. As we zoom into the cockpit, you see a blend of modern avionics and advanced systems that are designed to make the aircraft not only more efficient, but also far safer in demanding missions. The glowing instrument panels, the futuristic displays, and the ergonomic design all work together to give pilots maximum situational awareness. Unlike older transports that rely heavily on manual systems, the KC-390 embraces fly-by-wire controls and state-of-the-art navigation that allow it to operate in environments where precision is absolutely vital. Picture the aircraft roaring down the runway, engines spooling with raw power as it lifts off with ease, leaving behind a trail of dust and jet wash. The KC-390 is powered by two International Aero engines V2500 turbofans, the same type used on many commercial jets, but adapted here for military use. Each engine delivers over 27,000 pounds of thrust, giving the KC-390 a maximum speed of around 870 kilometers per hour, making it one of the fastest military cargo aircraft in service today. This speed advantage allows it to deliver troops, cargo, or humanitarian aid faster than its competitors, and in the world of military logistics, speed can make the difference between mission success and failure. Now take a high-altitude look, the KC-390 cruising smoothly with its sleek profile cutting through the sky. It's designed for efficiency and versatility, and its aerodynamic design ensures that it performs well at both low-level tactical flights and long-distance strategic missions. It's not just a transport plane, it's a strategic tool, and its range of over 6,000 kilometers with auxiliary fuel tanks means it can operate across continents without stopping. The real magic happens when the rear cargo ramp opens mid-flight. Imagine troops inside preparing for an airborne operation, the cavernous cargo bay lit with tactical red lighting, vehicles chained down and ready for deployment. This isn't just an empty space, it's a mission hub. The KC-390 can carry up to 26 metric tons of cargo, whether that's armored vehicles, artillery, helicopters, or hundreds of troops. Its cargo hold is designed with flexibility in mind, making it easy to switch between roles, airlifting supplies one day and dropping paratroopers the next. Inside, the cargo bay feels massive. You can picture military vehicles parked inside, soldiers gearing up for deployment, and equipment ready to roll out. This kind of adaptability makes the KC-390 a force multiplier for any air force that operates it. Compared to older transport aircraft like the C-130 Hercules, the KC-390 offers more payload capacity, faster speed, and reduced operational costs, making it an attractive option for nations looking to modernize their fleets. But versatility doesn't stop with cargo. The KC-390 also serves as an aerial tanker. Imagine a close-up of its refueling boom extending towards a fighter jet fuel transferring midair as both aircraft soar above the clouds. This refueling capability allows the KC-390 to support fast jets, helicopters, and even other transport aircraft, dramatically extending the operational range of entire squadrons. It's a rare feature in medium-lift transport jets, and it gives the KC-390 a unique advantage in joint operations. Now envision the KC-390 flying alongside fighter jets in formation, a symbol of teamwork and military power. It's not a frontline combat jet, but its role ensures those fighters can keep flying, keep fighting, and keep protecting. Without aircraft like the KC-390, frontline operations would grind to a halt. Shift the scene to paratroopers jumping from the cargo ramp, free-falling into the skis below. This aircraft isn't just delivering troops, it's projecting power anywhere it's needed. The KC-390 is equipped to deploy paratroopers with precision, whether in training exercises or real-world missions. Its ability to fly low, slow, and steady when needed makes it a reliable workhorse for airborne operations. But the KC-390 isn't limited to open skis. Imagine it flying at low altitude over dense jungle terrain, hugging the treetops in a tactical flight pattern. This is where its advanced fly-by-wire system really shines. Pilots can maneuver confidently through valleys, forests, or mountainous terrain, ensuring the aircraft can get in and out of hostile environments without being detected or intercepted. Sometimes missions demand landing where traditional jets can't. Picture the KC-390 touching down on an unpaved dirt runway in a remote region, kicking up a cloud of dust as it slows. Its rugged landing gear and reinforced structure allow it to operate from short, austere airstrips that many larger transports couldn't handle. This opens up entire new possibilities for operations in disaster zones, humanitarian crises, or forward-deployed military bases. On the ground, you see the ramp open again, soldiers unloading vehicles and supplies under the backdrop of a military base. The KC-390 is not just about speed and power, it's about accessibility and reliability. In disaster relief operations, this could mean delivering food, medicine, and emergency supplies to communities in need. In combat operations, it could mean delivering reinforcements, ammunition, and critical equipment right where they're needed most. Now let's take a closer look at the engines, massive turbines gleaming under the sun, showcasing the technology that drives this beast through the skies. They're not only powerful but also fuel efficient, ensuring the aircraft can fly long distances without excessive operational costs. This makes the KC-390 attractive not just to military operators, but also to governments that want to balance performance with economic sustainability. Of course, not all flights are smooth. Picture the KC-390 cutting through stormy weather, lightning flashing in the distance as it powers through turbulent skies. This is where reliability and robust engineering matter most. Built to endure extreme conditions, the KC-390 ensures that missions continue even when the environment is at its harshest. Finally, imagine the aircraft parked at sunset, the glowing sky casting a dramatic silhouette around its fuselage. This closing image isn't just about an airplane, it's about a vision. The KC-390 represents how modern engineering and military need come together to create something extraordinary. It's about speed, versatility, power, and reliability, all packaged into one jet that has quickly gained respect worldwide. So when we talk about the Embraer KC-390, we're not just talking about specs on paper. We're talking about a machine that delivers when it counts, whether in war zones, disaster relief, or strategic operations across the globe. It's proof that innovation in military aviation doesn't just come from the biggest countries, but from those willing to push boundaries and design for the future. And that's why the KC-390 has earned its place as one of the most modern and capable military cargo jets in the skies today. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Embraer KC-390 and its incredible capabilities, make sure to stay tuned here at Project Aviate, where we continue to explore the machines that shape our skies.